Everyone enjoys shooting at reactive targets, but shooting at paper targets does have its uses when you're doing load development, when you're sighting in your rifle, or when you're testing some 22 LR ammo. It's good to punch some holes in paper. But man, it's seriously boring. That's why when I want to have some fun, I like to shoot at steel. Welcome to the Republic of Shooting, and today I will be showing you how to get your hands on these. They are quality target gongs for your 22 LR, but they are dirt cheap because they came from Temu. I ordered these two gongs from Temu and they arrived at my house in Cape Town, South Africa within 14 days. They really were dirt cheap and cost me a total of 650 South African Rand. Now, there are different sizes and shapes, as well as gongs of varying thickness on Temu. Also, some sellers on Temu are cheaper than others, so you have to shop around a bit and find exactly what you are looking for. I then ran down to the hardware store to get the fasteners and nuts and bolts, and that cost a further 111 South African Rands. Thereafter, I made the stands from some angle iron that I had lying around, and a friend of mine did the galvanizing for free. So the total cost for the two target gongs, a mere 761 South African Rands. And now to assemble the target gong. You're going to need your cheap but very nice target gongs from Temu. They are well made, they're very hefty. You won't be shooting through these with a 22 LR anytime soon. They are really good quality. And then for the stand, I'm using a piece of angle iron that I had lying around the house. I cut the one end with a sharp end so that I can hammer it into the ground quite easily. And on the other end, I drilled a hole over here, and that's where the gong will be attached to the stand. You will also need some shackles like these, readily available from your local hardware store. A threaded rod with an eyelet on the side, the gong is going to be hanging from there, and then some washers and some lock nuts. And there we go, all assembled. We are ready to head out to the range and test them. Let's go see if they last and how well they do.
We've put about 100 rounds on each of these gongs and they've held up really well. Obviously the paint didn't last, but hey, we're not playing chess here. So all in all, we're very satisfied. One very good thing about these gongs is when you hit them, they make a very positive and satisfying ping. So the sound when you hit them is really, really nice. The stands lasted well, the gongs lasted well. All in all, very satisfied, well worth it. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back again with more videos on the Republic of Shooting.